Hey guys, we're doing the special delivery. Okay? On Amel Jam, here we go. And Rose the Owl says, "Thank goodness you're here. The Friendship Festival has started and there are tons of Valentines that still need to be delivered. I can usually take care of all the mail, but there is too much. We definitely need some help getting all these Valentines out to all those animals. What do you say?" This batch of Valentines, then click them on the mailbox icons you see to deliver them. There are lots of mailboxes to be filled. But don't worry, I will keep you stocked up. In exchange for your help, I'll give you special prizes. The more Valentines you can deliver, the more prizes you'll earn. Good luck! Okay, Rosa Owl, I will do it. We got 13 cards. Let's go that way. Okay? The singing Valentine horse for you. And then the twerking dinosaur for you. And the Valentine singing unicorn for you. And the twerking llama for you. Okay? The singing Valentine llama for you. Oh, that's a nice campfire. I love it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah! Ow! Oh! Ouch. Ouch. Okay. Phew! That was close. For you. Here's Kevin the snow leopard. Calvin the snow leopard. For you, Calvin. Thank you. Oh. Look. Here's Hector the koala. I sent a Valentine to everybody I know. Aw, that's nice, Hector. Do the hula dance. There we go. Nice hula dance. For you, and for you. And then for you, another campfire. It's a different one. For you and for you. Okay. Now. Hey, Teddy. Teddy the polar bear. I wish we could celebrate the Friendship Festival all year long. That's nice, Teddy. Do the ballet dance. There we go. He's happy. Oh. Mailbox. Mail for you, and mail for you. Oh, there's a snow speaker right there. You see the snow speaker? It's playing Magic 106.1. They're both playing it. So I bet some jammer put the music on for Valentine's. Yay! Treasures! Oh, her lava lamp, I already have that. I already have that too. You are off to a great start. Here's the next batch. you? Fear. Happy Valentine's Day. Hi again, Hector and Calvin. And then a lot more. There's another snow speaker playing Magic 106. Ferris! Hi! I'm glad those rotten phantoms are nowhere to be seen. Aww. That's okay because I bring you the twerking llama. Do the happy dance. Do the happy dance. There we go. Now she's dancing. Woohoo! Happy Valentine's. Okay. Happy Valentine's. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Hey, Juliet. I bring you the twerking dinosaur. Hello, Juliet. How many Valentines have you delivered so far? Dance on your ears. There we go. Now she's dancing on her ears. Happy Valentine's Day. Woo! Yeah! Three more Valentines to deliver. Oops, I missed one. Okay. Hector. Okay. Oh, chocolate Zoe's fountain. Okay, I don't have a giant heart chocolate. Yum! A lot more to deliver. Uh-oh. For more Valentines. When you're done, would you feed the dog? Oh! What is that for? Gems! Yay! 150 gems. Oh! It's Rachel the fox! Hey, Rachel! Whoa! Rachel, hi! I can't wait to open my Valentines. Well, I got you the unicorn. That's the happy dance. Woohoo! Go, Rachel! Come here, Kaya. Kaya, come. another campfire. Come here, Kaya. Okay, hope you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.